Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Joshi sir, and today's topic is area of a standard mathematics state board. Now first let us recall. Okay, area of square is equals to side square. All of you know this formula. Area of square is equals to side square. That means side multiply by side. Then all of you know formula for area of rectangle. Rectangle कैसा रहता है? This is the rectangle. Okay, all the four angles are 90 degree, opposite sides are congruent and parallel. That is known as rectangle. Okay, and area of rectangle formula is length multiplied by breadth. Then area of right angle triangle. What is the formula for area of right angle triangle? Area of right angle triangle formula is हाफ इंटू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ साइड्स मेकिंग राइट एंगल. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, सपोज दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. ओके, एंड एरिया ऑफ दिस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ साइड्स मेकिंग राइट एंगल. सपोज दिस इज साइड ए एंड दिस इज साइड बी. ये दो जो साइड है वो राइट एंगल मेक करने वाले साइड है, बराबर. तो इनका प्रोडक्ट लेने का, उसका हाफ करने का. ओके, देन एरिया ऑफ एनी ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. That is the common formula. Now here this is what? Parallelogram. Okay, we have to draw this big parallelogram. Okay, then draw perpendicular AE on side BC. Now see this part AE CD. Okay, I cut this part. देखो, ये पार्ट को अगर मैं कट करता हूँ इधर से और उसको इधर ज्वाइन कर देता हूँ तो ये क्या बनेगा? रेक्टेंगल बनेगा. ओके, मीन्स रेक्टेंगल इज फॉर्म फ्रॉम द पैरेललोग्राम. और ये दोनों का एरिया क्या रहेगा? सेम रहेगा. दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, इसका फॉर्मूला हम क्या बना सकते हैं? दिस इज योर बेस एंड दिस इज हाइट. बेस मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट. रेक्टेंगल का कैसा रहता है? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड. तो इधर क्या लेने का? लेंथ की जगह बेस एंड हाइट. Remember this formula, area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Practice set 15.1, question number 1. If base of parallelogram, now see what is given? Parallelogram is given. If base of parallelogram is 18 centimeter and its height is 11 centimeter, find its area. आता याचं काय दिलं आहे आपल्याला? बेस दिला आहे आणि हाईट दिली आहे, बरोबर. आणि काय काढायचं आहे? एरिया काढायचा आहे. तर आता कसं करायचं? तर पहिल्यांदा लिहायचं असतं गिवन, बरोबर. फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू राईट गिवन. गिवन कसं लिहायचं? तर पहिलं मी लिहितो इथे गिवन. गिवन इज बेस ऑफ पॅरेललोग्राम इज 18 सेंटीमीटर and height of parallelogram is 11 centimeter. Then solution. Area of parallelogram. What is the formula for area of parallelogram? Base multiplied by height. Our base is 18 multiplied by height is 11. Very easy. 18 multiplied by 11. 11 8 जा 88. 8 carry. 11 1 जा 11 plus 8 19. Now see, whenever area is there, we have to use unit as square centimeter, or you can simply write in this way 198 centimeter square. Whenever centimeter is there, we have to write centimeter. Whenever meter is there, we have to write meter square. Okay, and this is your last answer. Very easy question. Now question second is, if area of parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and base is 8, find its height. 29.6 is area. Now what is given? Area is given. Area of, this is the sign of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to 29.6 centimeter square or square centimeter, and its height is given, that is 8 centimeter. 1 minute. Is it height given or base given? See, height is not given, base is given. We have to find out height. Height is equals to question mark and base is 8 centimeter. Okay, now you have to use same formula. Area of parallelogram is equals to base multiplied by height. Now see, area is given. Area is 29.6 is equals to, I write here 29.6, that is the area. Okay, area is equals to, base is how much? Base is 8 multiply by your height. Okay, I take this base in height into 8 towards LHS. I write here 8 multiply by height. 8 multiply by height is equals to 29.6. मी काय केलं, हे लेफ्टला घेतलं एक राईटला घेतलं आपल्याला कळण्यासाठी. And therefore I write here therefore height is equals to 29.6. This 8 multiply जो मल्टीप्लाई हुआ डिवाइड होगा. That means 29.6 divided by 8. That is your last answer. 8 3s are 24. Okay, 5 remains. This point comes. I write here point. Then 6. 8 7s are 56. That means your answer is height of parallelogram. Height of parallelogram is equals to 3.7 centimeter. That is your last answer. Height of parallelogram is equals to 3.7 centimeter. Very easy. Now next question is, area of a parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.4 centimeter, find the length of its base. Now area is given, that is 83.2 square centimeter. I write here area of parallelogram is 83.2 centimeter square. And next one, what is given here, height is given. Okay, height is 6.4 centimeter. Height is equals to 6.4 centimeter. Then we have to find out base. Okay, now same formula, area of parallelogram is equals to base multiplied by height. Now here area of parallelogram that is given. What is area of parallelogram? I write here therefore sign 83.2 is equals to base is unknown. I write base as it is and height is 6.4. Okay, now I write this base into 6.4 towards left hand side. Base into 6.4 is equals to 83.2 and therefore base is equals to 83.2 divided by 6.4. You know, if I आता इथून आपण इथे गेलो असं राईट साईडला, तर इथून इथे गेलं तर डेसिमल पॉईंट काय होतील, निघून जातील आणि सिम्पली वी गेट 832/64. नाउ डिवाइड बोथ बाय 8. हियर अगर मैं इसको 8 से डिवाइड करता हूँ तो 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 1 जा 8, 8 0 जा 0, 8 4 जा 32. Here 8 8 जा 64. Okay, now 8 8 gets cancelled. If I divide this by 4, see here 4 multiply by 4 2 जा 8 and 2 remains, 4 6 जा 24, 4 2 जा 8, 8 4 4 gets cancelled. Now see, very easy, 26 divided by 2, answer is 13 and therefore your last answer is base of parallelogram. Base of parallelogram is equals to 13 centimeter. This is your last answer. Very easy. Now next one is area of rhombus. Area of rhombus means all the four sides are congruent. Then that diagram is known as rhombus. Here all four sides are congruent. Suppose A, B, C, D. Okay, all four sides are congruent. How to find out area of rhombus? Half into product of length of diagonals. इसका जो diagonal है वह bisect करता है एक दूसरे को. That means half into product of length of diagonal. That is the formula for area of rhombus. Now see some small examples. Length of the diagonals of rhombus are 11.2 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter respectively. Find the area of rhombus. See, area of rhombus formula is half into product of length of the diagonals. That means half into first diagonal का length है 11.2, Second is 7.5 is equals to, now see here, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Therefore, they get 5.6. Multiply by 7.5 and if we multiply this, we will get answer as 42 square centimeter. Whenever area is there, remember always it is in square centimeter or square meter. Whenever length is there, it is always in centimeter, meter, kilometer, in this way. Then next one is area of rhombus is, what is given, area of rhombus is 96 square centimeter. One of the diagonal means एक diagonal का length given है 12 centimeter. Find the length of its side. We have to find out length of its side. This side that is we have to find out. Now see, let ABCD is a rhombus, diagonal BD and diagonal AC. Okay. Suppose BD का length जो है BD is equals to, I write here, BD is equals to 12 centimeter, that is given, and also area is given. Okay. First we have to find out the diagonal AC. How to find out diagonal AC? Area of rhombus is equals to half into product of length of diagonals. Okay. Now area of rhombus is given, that is 96 is equals to half into, one diagonal is 12 and another is AC. Therefore they write length of AC. Okay. Now see here, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and therefore 6 multiply by AC. AC 1s are AC. Now this 6 multiply gets divided here. That means length of AC is equals to 96 divided by 6. Now see here, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 36. That is length of AC is equals to 16 centimeter. Now see here first, length of, if length of AC is 16, then what is the length of this EC? उसका हाफ आएगा ना, तो कितना आता है 88. 16 का half of 16, that is 8, because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Bisect means they divide the diagonal into two equal part. Okay, तो ये 8 होगा. DB कितना है, डायगोनल कितना है हमारा 12 है, तो DE उसका हाफ होगा तो कितना होगा 6 होगा. तो इधर हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज कर सकते हैं. व्हाट इज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? वन साइड स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड साइड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू हाइपोटेनियस स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स डी स्क्वायर प्लस ई सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू डी सी स्क्वायर. तो अभी मैंने जो बताया वही है इधर. ठीक है, देखो ए डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर, दैट इज 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर. 8 स्क्वायर इज 64, 6 स्क्वायर इज 36 इज इक्वल्स टू 100. And then we have to take square roots on both the sides. Right here, taking square roots. स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो AD स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट AD आएगा, 100 का 10 आएगा, एंड देयरफॉर साइड ऑफ रोम्बस इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. अभी आप बोलोगे AD और AE किधर से आया, बताता हूँ. उन्होंने वह साइड लिया, ये देखो AD स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू DE स्क्वायर प्लस AE स्क्वायर. उन्होंने क्या किया, ये साइड लेने के बजाय ये साइड लिया. कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना, ये भी राइट एंगल है. देखो DE स्क्वायर प्लस AE स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AD स्क्वायर. आप ये साइड भी ले सकते हैं, ये साइड भी ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो AD जितना रहेगा उतना ही DC रहेगा, उतना ही BC रहेगा, उतना ही EB रहेगा, बिकॉज ऑल द फोर साइड्स ऑफ रोम्बस आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ईच अदर. नाउ सी प्रैक्टिस सेट 15.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. लेंथ ऑफ द डायगोनल ऑफ रोम्बस आर 15 सेंटीमीटर एंड 24 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड इट्स एरिया. Now see how to find out diagonals. Length of diagonal is given 15 and 24. Okay. Now see what is given. We have to write first given. Length of first diagonal is equals to 24 centimeter, and length of second diagonal is equals to 15 centimeter. Now see area of rhombus. What is the formula for area of rhombus? Half into product of lengths of diagonals. This is equals to half into length of diagonals are 24 multiply by 15. Okay. Now see here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. And this comes to be equals to 12 multiply by 15. Very easy. 12 multiply by 15. 15 twos are 30, 3 carry. 15 ones are 15 plus 3, 18. That is 180 square centimeter. Why I write square centimeter? Because whenever area is there, we have to write square centimeter. Lengths of the diagonals of rhombus are 16.5 and 14.2. Find its area. Now diagonals are given 16.5 and 14.2. I write here first diagonal is 16.5 centimeter and here it is 14.2 centimeter. We have to find out area of rhombus. Now area of rhombus formula is half into product of lengths of diagonals. This is equals to half into 16.5 into 14.2. Now we have to divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 ones are 2. That means here 16.5 multiply by 7.1. Do it here. 16.5 multiply by 7.1. See here 1 5 are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 1 are 1. Right here 0. 7 5 are 35, 3 carry. 7 6 are 42 plus 3, 45, 4 carry. 7 1 are 7 plus 4, 8 9 10 11. Okay. Now here addition, no? 5, 6 plus 5 11. 1 carry, 5 plus 2 7, 1 1 as it is. Now decimal point 1 2, 1 and 2, that is your last answer is 117.15 square centimeter. That is the area of rhombus. Now next question is, if perimeter of a rhombus is 100 centimeter and length of one diagonal is 48 centimeter, what is the area of quadrilateral? Now see perimeter of rhombus is 100 and one diagonal is 48. Now what is given? Length of first diagonal is 48 centimeter. And again what is given? Perimeter of rhombus. They are given perimeter of rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus is equals to 100 centimeter. Now see, suppose this is a rhombus. What is meant by perimeter? Means sum of all 4 sides. That is 4 multiplied by side. That is the formula for perimeter. Okay. I write here first perimeter of rhombus is equals to 4 multiplied by side. Okay. Now see perimeter of rhombus is given, that is 100 is equals to 4 into side. Now side is equals to, how to find out side of this rhombus? 100. 4 multiply gets divided by 4 and 100 upon 4 is 25. Now see, this is the side of rhombus. 25 is the side of rhombus. Now see, A, B, C, D is a rhombus, and you know that side of rhombus are equal, that is 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay. Then second thing we have to know is diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. That means this angle is a right angle. Okay. And as they bisect each other, length of first diagonal, suppose this first diagonal is, I consider this first diagonal as BD. Okay. Suppose this is BD. BD is given 48. अगर BD 48 है तो BO कितना आएगा, उसका हाफ आएगा ना, बिकॉज डायगोनल्स ऑफ रोम्बस बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. आई राइट हियर diagonals of rhombus bisect each other, and therefore BO is equals to half of BD, because BO जो है वो BD का क्या होगा, हाफ होगा. And one diagonal is given here, that is how much, 48. Okay, 48, and therefore I write here BO is equals to half multiply by 48. अगर 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, that is BO is 24 centimeter. This BO is 24 centimeter. If BO is 24, now see here in this triangle AOB. Now see AOB is a right angle triangle, is it right? AOB is a right angle triangle, and therefore we have to write, use here Pythagoras theorem. Now I write here in triangle AOB, major angle O is equals to how much, 90 degree, and therefore by Pythagoras theorem. अभी पाइथागोरस थ्योरम कैसे आएगा, वन साइड स्क्वायर दैट इज AO स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू AB स्क्वायर. आई राइट हियर AO स्क्वायर प्लस AO स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर is equals to hypotenuse square, that is AB square. Now here AO is unknown, AO मालूम नहीं है, तो AO square as it is plus OB is 24 square, and AB is how much here, 25 square, side is 25, AB is 25 square. I substitute the given values. Now here AO square unknown, therefore I write here AO square as it is equals to 25 square. ये प्लस 24 है तो इधर क्या होगा, -24 square, plus 24 changes to -24. Now here AO square is equals to 25 square minus 24 square. Now this is the formula for A square. Here A square minus B square is equals to A plus B, A minus B. Use this formula here. This is A and this is B. Here A square minus B square. That means AO square is equals to 25 plus 24, and second bracket 25 minus 24. Okay. Now AO square, therefore I write here, therefore sign AO square is equals to 25 plus 24 is 49, and 25 minus 24 is 1, that is 49 ones are 49. Therefore by taking, we have to take square roots on both the sides. By taking square roots on both sides, स्क्वायर रूट लिया तो क्या आएगा, AO इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच, 49 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना आता है, 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, AO इज इक्वल्स टू 7. बट व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन? Now see, your question is we have to find out the area of quadrilateral. Okay. Now AO is 7. If AO is 7 here, if AO is 7, then AC is how much? Double of 7, that is 14. Okay. AO is 7, then AC is 14. I write here AO is 7. Therefore AC is equals to 2 into AO, that is 14 centimeter. Now see, one diagonal is 48 centimeters here. Again, one diagonal is 48 centimeter. and this diagonal, second diagonal is 14 centimeter. Then we have to find out area of rhombus. What is the formula for area of rhombus? Half into product of length of diagonals. I write here area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equals to half into length of product of diagonals and half into 48 into 14 because diagonals are 48 and 14 and therefore I 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14 and therefore 48 multiplied by 7, that is your last answer. 7 8 are 56, 5 carry, okay. 7 4 are 28 plus 5 33, that is 336 square centimeter, and this is what area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equals to 336 square centimeter. This is your last answer. If length of diagonal of rhombus is 30 centimeter and its area is 240 square centimeter, find its perimeter. Now see, length of diagonal of rhombus is 30 centimeter, that is given, okay, and area is also given. Now I write first formula for area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equals to half into length of diagonals. Half into length of product of length of diagonals. Half into product of length of diagonals. Now here area of rhombus is equals to half into length of product of diagonals. Now area of rhombus, that is given. Area of rhombus is given, that is 240. Therefore I write here 240 is equals to half into one diagonal is 30, okay, multiply by other diagonal. I write here other diagonal, that is not given, and therefore here 2 1 are 2, 2 15 are 30, okay, and therefore other diagonal or second diagonal, you can say it second diagonal is equals to 240 divided by 15. Now here 15 1s are 15, 15 6 are 90, that is 16 centimeter. Therefore length of second diagonal is 16 centimeter. Length of first diagonal is 30 centimeter, okay. Suppose one diagonal, that is BD, is equals to 30 centimeter and AC is equals to 16 centimeter. We know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle, okay, right angles. Means this angle is 90 degree, and therefore here suppose AC is equals to 16, then AO is equals to half of 16. AO is equals to half of AC, that is half of 16, that is 8 centimeter. This AO is 8 centimeter, and similarly DO is equals to half of BD. DO is equals to half of BD, because diagonal bisect means दो part करना. Half into 30, that is 2 1s are 15, 2s are 30, okay, either 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 15 centimeter. That means this DO is 15 centimeter. DO is 15 centimeter. Is it right? Then we have to find out AD. How to find out AD? Here AD कैसे find out करना है? We have to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay? How to use Pythagoras? Because In triangle, I write here, in triangle AOD, major angle AOD is equals to 90 degree, and therefore by Pythagoras theorem, बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, एओ स्क्वायर प्लस डीओ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू एओ स्क्वायर प्लस डीओ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू एडी स्क्वायर. ओके, एओ स्क्वायर प्लस डीओ स्क्वायर, एओ स्क्वायर प्लस डीओ स्क्वायर is equals to AD square. Now AO is how much? 8 square. I write here AO is 8 square plus DO is 15 square is equals to AD square. Now here AD square is equals to AD square is equals to 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225. Now we have to add these two. AD square is equals to 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 289. Now taking square roots on both the sides. Taking square roots. Now AD is equals to 289 किसका स्क्वायर है 17 का, that means 17 centimeter. Now here if AD is 17, AD means what? Side of rhombus. Okay. Now sir, what is AD? AD means side of rhombus. Side of rhombus is, see what is side of rhombus? 17 centimeter. And we have to find out perimeter of rhombus. What is perimeter? 4 into side. I write here perimeter of rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus is equals to, formula is 4 multiplied by side. That is 4 multiplied by 17. 17 4s are 68 centimeter. And this is your last answer. Perimeter of rhombus is equals to 68 centimeter. That is the last answer.